Ah, there you are, boy.
Jean? Is that you?
No, son. It's me. And I know all about you and Jean Claude. I know everything.
Everything?
Everything. What happened, son? You reached better than that. We used to be good church-going people. Every Sunday, take you and your brother. To that whole sex scandal thing. And to pull him out of there because he was trying to molest all the nuns. What are you doing hanging around with a fucking Canadian anyway?
What? How do you know he's Canadian?
What's he say, little bird told me?
Yeah, fat little bird.
Pretty much.